Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhole Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is encapsulation in Java. So firstly, what is meant by encapsulation and what are the use of encapsulation in our real life and our programming language, and what are the advantages of encapsulation which will Java provide us, and so we will discuss one by one. So first is what is encapsulation. Encapsulation is a process which is wrapping data and code together in a single unit. This whole process is called as encapsulation. And encapsulation, one of the real-time example of encapsulation is a medicine. Suppose one medicine can contain several content and wrap into the single medicine. It is called as encapsulation. It is the most one of useful examples of in our real life. Then next one is we can create a fully encapsulated class in our programming language with the help of and by creating our variable and data member is private, and then we create the variable and data member is private. So how we can access our variable? So that is the one of most solution is we can achieve the private data members through the setter and getter method. So setter, with the help of setter and getter method, we assign the value of any parameter is called as setter, and we can easily retrieve the any value of parameter, then it is called as getter. So what is the definition, proper definition of setter and getter method? So firstly, what is mean by setter method? So setter method are declared with the set keyword. We can also declare inside the Java any name of the parameter. Then with the help of setter method, we easily assign the new value of our data member. Then setter method, it one parameter and it does not have any return type. Then next one is getter method. So getter method we use to get the any value which will be provide when we create the object and passing the parameter of this object. Then getter method is called and invoke the get keyword. Getter method does not have any parameter, but valid return type is must in getter method. With the help of getter method, we provide the strong password. Suppose I give the privacy, I want to give the privacy in my programming to get the value. That time we use the we create the password in our getter method. Suppose my number is 4 and that is private, so how can I access? And if I provide the password, that time if password is match my password, that time it returns the value of number. And if my password does not match my string or my password, that time it returns the 0. Then with the help of setter and getter method, we easily provide the security in our application and desktop application. And then we can access the private data member through the setter and getter method. So what are the applications and advantages of encapsulation? So with the help of encapsulation, we can create a only read only or write only class inside the Java. Then we can provide the strong security with the help of encapsulation. That's all about the encapsulation. Thank you so much.